Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Okay, you already know why we're here. You seen the thumbnail, you seen the title. You already know what's up. But today's video is a little different. Today's video is in collaboration with the Janet Collection. And they sent to me a wig, y'all. A wig. Is y'all ready? Is y'all ready to be introduced to my new friend? Is y'all ready? Like, I'm not even ready. I'm not even ready, for real, for real. Bam! Okay, this is the extended part lace. 100% premium fiber. And this is Leah. Okay? Leah, okay, what are we gonna do with this, y'all? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? What am I gonna do with Leah? Okay, so it says this is an extremely deep part lace wig. Okay, so we gonna open up Leah and we gonna see what she talking about. Okay, we gonna see what's crack-a-lacking with Leah. And thank you so much, Janet Collection, for sending me this wig. I truly appreciate it. Okay, here's the stock card. Sorry for the funky lighting. And it's in the color Ombre 1B1 Mocha Bronze. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is color. And it's long. Y'all, okay, so here is the part on the wig. Here's the part, and we're gonna show you the inside. So this is the inside of the wig. We have a comb in the back. We have two combs on the side. And this shows you the parting and how deep it is. So it is a deep part. And the part looks pretty good. Like, I don't feel like I gotta do a lot of work to it. That's a good thing because y'all know I'm still learning myself. But okay, the hair, it feels really soft, really nice. It's like dark roots, and then it goes down to this beautiful mocha bronze color. Okay, so it's really, really nice. I do like this. It feels great. Do I have any shedding? I have a couple strands of hair running my hands through it. But let's go ahead and do a wig swap, y'all. Y'all already know what's up. Let's do a wig swap. Y'all, this is a lot of hair. Okay, y'all, this hair is so long. Do you hear me? Long. I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna show you guys how long it is. See, it's like really long, y'all. I can't even get all of the hair into the frame. There we go. See how long it is? Y'all, this is a lot of hair. Do you hear me? Like, this is so much hair. Oh my God, what am I gonna do with this? What? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. I'm going to take some pressed powder and put it on the part. Okay, so I'm combing out the wig after I just put it on. It does have quite a few shedding, but it's a long wig, so that was expected, but the comb's going through it with ease though. So I have the wig on and combed it out. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some pressed powder to the part. But I definitely love the part. And I'm just gonna take my flat iron, so it can be a little bit more flatter. And is this heat resistant? Yes, it is heat resistant. But y'all, this part is the bomb. Like, seriously. I think this is one of my favorite parts for a wig. Like, it just looks so natural. Yes, I love it, y'all. I love it. I just don't like the length. And since it's so long, it's getting like tangled at the bottom. So that's one thing I don't like about it. But yeah, it's definitely a nice wig. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, see, it got softer when I ran the flat iron through it. Okay. Yes, overall, I do love the wig. I just don't like the length, okay? I don't like the length. But this wig, if we can get it to like right about here, we'll be good, you know? I love the color, y'all. This color is everything. Yes, and I love the straight sleek. I love the straight sleek look. This wig is, I'm gonna cut this wig. I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna come back. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at 4C_NISEY, so you can see the updated deets on this wig. Unless I get enough votes to cut it, and I'll do a second video. I'll do a second video on it, and I'll cut it. But yes, this wig is nice. I do like it. It's just too long. Yes, I don't know where I think I'm going. Look at me. If you like this video, or you would like to see me cut it and do an updated video on this wig, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any questions regarding this wig, drop them down below, and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Long hair, shawty. Bam, 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 bam. What? Twerk some. Yin yang in this thing. Yin yang in this thing. Ooh. I feel like Jan Brady. Marsha.